Maddie.
I'm Kinzley.
And we're the Sassy Girl Slime Shop.
So today we are going to be reviewing the slime from Parakeet Slimes.
This slime is called Cereal Milk Icy. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's get started.
Okay, so first, like when you first look at it, it has like this donut. It looks like, and a whole bunch of sprinkles. So
Here, let me try.
okay, I got it. It looks like a Betty.
It looks like erasers, and there's a little donut keychain.
Look how pretty that is. Okay, ready?
Ready, set, go. What the
What
heck?
the heck?
This is a totally different kind of icy slime than we've expected.
I don't even think this is an icy slime. It's like not even icy. I think it's like. Oh my god.
Wait, it smells like Fruity Pebbles, or not Fruity Pebbles, Fruit Loops.
Yeah.
Like the green and orange.
Okay, so basically, I don't really think it's an icy slime. I just think it's like, I'm just gonna call this a whole bunch of textured slimes. Because we don't really know what to call this.
It's like an icy regular slime. Because it's sticky.
I don't even know what to call it. It
but
literally
it's like
has so much
ice.
weird little stuff inside. So Maddie, what do you rate this slime?
I'm gonna rate it a 4 out of 10. Because it's really weird. Just like the texture of it, and it doesn't really stretch. But I love the sprinkles and the color, and it smells like Fruit Loops. What do you rate it?
I'm gonna rate it actually a bit of an 8 out of 10.
Why?
Because I love everything about it. It's just that it doesn't really stretch that much. But it looks so cool. It feels so weird, but cool at the same time. And I love the little charm.
Wait, we forgot to do the stretch and poke test.
You can do it. You can do it.
Okay, wait. First, we're going to see if it pokes. If it pokes, bubbles, and crunches. Let's
Ready,
do
go.
pokes.
No, I don't really hear
Not
it.
really.
Bubble.
No, not a bubble either. Let's see
If it crunches. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it crunches a little bit.
Well, that's it for this slime review.
Thank you so much for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this video.
Make sure to like, subscribe,
Turn on post notifications.
and give it a huge thumbs up. See
See you on the slime side. Peace.